Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear Mr. Taufik and Mrs. Susanti Malasari as lecturers to teach English course in Mathematics Education Study Program at Tidar University, and as well as to my dear audience friends. First of all, let's be grateful for the presence of God Almighty because for His mercy given our health until right now to carry out the exam and hopefully we get the expected result. I'm Ningrum Aslikhatul Khirom. I will convey the result my assignment of the English course with a subtheme describing things about waste. From some of this news, we know that the earth is getting older. We should to aware and take care of it. We are, such as studied, is the agent of change and guardians of value, must do an active role in good change to save the earth. One of the ways that students can do to able to educate and socialize awareness of the importance of sorting waste. What is the meaning of the waste? According to the World Health Organization, waste is an item that comes from human activities that are no longer used, unused, not like, or that are thrown away. But waste handling will have bad impact, especially for the health of the surrounding community. The waste is potentially pose a danger to health, such as diarrheal disease, typhus, cholera, fungal disease, and worms. Do you know, in general waste divides into two types, organic and inorganic waste. According data from the Ministry of Environment and Forestry Indonesia, organic waste is one of the most produced types of waste in Indonesia. In fact, the amount reaches 28% of the total 21 million tons of waste at beginning at this year's. So what exactly is organic waste and inorganic waste? Simply put, organic waste is waste that comes from living organisms. The characteristic derived from human, animals, and material plants. Can be biodegradable. The shapes are solid, soft, and liquid. Has an unpleasant smell. Smell is so bad. Can be used as fertilizer. Can be converted into biogas if used wisely. But then they are difficult to recycle. Example, fruit peel, dried leaves, and food waste. Meanwhile, inorganic waste is that comes from non-living objects. The characteristic of the inorganic waste, difficult to decompose, has no smell, in the form of solid waste, and then can be recyclable. Example, inorganic waste is plastic bottles, plastic cups, and cans. So how to make a healthy and zero waste environment? First, you can sort waste according of types, organic or inorganic. Second, you can reduce plastic when you shopping. We can use tote bags. And next, you can use a bottle or tumbler. And then you can recycle waste according to your creativity. Or you can drop your waste to waste for change. In my daily life, I definitely produce plastic waste because I want to contribute to making zero waste at Indonesia, so I make an Ecobrick action. I have this one. This is an Ecobrick. This is an effort to manage plastic waste by cutting plastic into smaller pieces, then collecting it in one container to be organized. The characteristics of Ecobrick are: number one, contents of inorganic waste. This is contain mass, packaging of products, and then plastic in the form of pieces of garbage in small size. Can be put in plastic bottles to be managed as a product. Ecobrick can be used as a product to have added value to plastic waste. One of the Ecobrick products is chairs, tables, and others. So, campaign healthy living for a healthy Indonesia. Small change of ourselves can be positive impact to the surroundings. Thank you. See you all.